dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you are so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make clove and rice hair moisturizer for hair growth, strengthening your hair, and to grow your natural hair. So we are going to use our rice, as you can see, and we're also going to use clove. So women in China, Japan, and Southeast Asia have used rice water as a hair treatment for centuries. But does rice water have any scientifically proven benefits? Rice water is starchy water left over, like cooked or soaked. It is thought to make the hair smooth and shine. Rice grain contains 75 to 50% of starch. It includes vitamins and minerals contained, including amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, and antioxidants. So according to research, women in the Asian period 794 to 1185 centuries in Japan had floor-length hair, kept healthy hair by bathing it in rice water. So a modern day equivalent of this story can be found in China. The Yao women in China who live in a village called Haogol in China are famed for having long than average 6 feet long hair. In addition to incredible length, the Yao women's hair is said to keep its color for longer, as they do not begin to get gray hair until they reach the 80s. So the Yao women credit the length and color of hair to the fact that they bath it in rice water. Advocates believe rice water benefits includes it detangles the hair, makes hair smoother, increases shine, makes hair stronger, helps hair to grow long. Research says rice water may reduce surface friction and increases hair elasticity, strengthening effect of inositol on. So inositol actually is contained in rice. So of course, I'm going to use fermented rice water. So fermented rice, because it has a high amount of antioxidants. So antioxidants may combat hair and skin cell damage, which is why there are typical ingredients in beauty products. So we are also going to use some clove powder. I did a video on clove powder yesterday. I'll link that video in the description box below so that you can check it out. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. So your hair is like your natural crown. It deserves to be treated as such. It's an important aspect of our appearance. However, hair can wear out easily. Where there is only such thing you can do to avoid this kind of damage. So a consistent hair regimen can go a long way in repairing it. And millions of people spend a significant amount of money on hair products, from shampoo, conditioners, oils to mask serums, yet achieving healthy and luscious look is still a ditch for many. So now friends, now we are mixing our clove and the water. So I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours. So clove contains a variety of useful compounds, but its main active ingredient is a chemical known as eugenol. So eugenol is accredited with potent and microbial, antiseptic, and inflammatory properties. Moreover, clove are rich in a number of nutrients for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, vitamin K, and C, iodine, fiber. They also form of oxidants that can help promote hair growth. So friends, now it's been 24 hours and it has fermented and the color has changed, as you can see. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and give this video a like. So friends, I've been using clove, and I've done quite a number of videos on clove. I'm going to link them in the description box below. And of course, at some point I did rice challenge when my hair was breaking, and friends, rice water worked to combat breakage. So now I'm in a challenge of 6 months where I'm doing low manipulation hairstyle using twist without any added hair. So I did promise that I'll be sharing different kinds of treatments that I'll be doing in between to grow our hair. So our goal is to grow 3 inches, and our challenge is coming to an end actually in the first month of July. So we've clicked 6 months. So now we are going to strain it. Yes, we are ready to strain it. You can even use a cheesecloth. Whatever gadgets that you have, you can use it. So comment in the section below, friends, and subscribe to my channel for more. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So when you subscribe to our channel, you help YouTube to recommend our videos so that we can reach a bigger audience. So I'm also going, so that is the residue that we don't want to be caught up in our hair, because that will be actually a marathon to remove those, grains. So that is how it looks like. It looks perfect, friends. Like that color, brown color, is so perfect. So subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. So now I'm going to preserve it with a natural preservative. So I'm going to use Yuxi 7K 712. Yes, but if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge. It can stay for 1 week, but I want this product like to last. So I'll be using it in between washes. So I'm adding in 1% of our natural preservative. Then give it a stir so that the preservative is well distributed. So friends, like I love clove and rice water. Yes, so I'm giving it a second chance. So we have gotten our spray bottle and our funnel. We are going to put our final product in a spray bottle, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end, and comment in the section below if you have tried out clove and rice water for hair growth or thinning hair, and just to improve the overall healthy of your hair. Yes, so now make sure that you close it. That is if you are putting it in the fridge, but because it's preserved, like I'm just going to put a sticker just to remind me, because I've made quite a number of hairsprays, and sometimes like you may not know what is the content of it, so make sure that you label it. But of course I did put a label on it offline just to help me to remember. Yes, so that is how it looks like it looks so perfect. Yes, subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below, and share this video in groups and to friends whom you think they can benefit, friends. Yes. So of course, friends, because this hairspray contains rice water actually contains 5% of protein, so you don't have to overdo it, because you have protein overload, and like your hair will feel crunchy kind of. So you don't need to use it every day, and don't use it in combination with hydrolyzed proteins, because it will be too much protein. So of course, like I mentioned, I'm in a protective hairstyle, so I'm just removing the bobby pins so that I can moisturize my hair. So like in as much as you want to grow your hair, because my goal is to retain 3 inches in 6 months, because hair grows half an inch per month. So half an inch per month. So in 6 months, we'll achieve 3 inches. But of course, some people are different. Some may have more or less. So I'm going to spray it throughout my hair strands. At this point, like the spray bottle is not working, and this is a new hairspray, bottle. So I've just pumped it, and now it has started working. Yes. So I'm going to spray it throughout our hair strands, and also to the ends of the hair, which determine hair growth. And I'll also spray it on the scalp, because it's so moisturizing. And like I love hairsprays which are not which have heavier products. Like I don't want to build up like in between. I don't want a situation whereby I wash my hair again. So now I'm going to seal in the moisture with our stimulating herbal hair growth oil. So like it's in a solid form, because of the base of this strengthening oil was coconut oil. So if you want, you can put it in warm water so that it is liquid, but I'm not going to do that. But of course, like my fingers can't reach. Okay, we have managed. Yes, so I'm going to moisturize with it, just a sizable amount. So I avoid build-up. I avoid using heavier products. That's the reason why I love hairsprays. And I've done quite a number of videos on different kinds of hairsprays. You can check them out. I'll link them in the description box below. So friends, like I've been trying to grow my hair, and my hair is growing, friends. So of course, I'm going to give an update in August, if God permits. So like I'll be working in sections. So like twists are very versatile. Yes, and like I've shared all the videos ever since I started doing twists in January 2022. I'm going to link other videos, friends, so that you can benefit and see how the hair has improved. I'm telling you, like this routine is really working for me. So if you're trying to grow out your natural hair and probably it's not growing, then you can consider, doing this routine. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out a clove and rice water for hair growth. Yes, but of course, there isn't a lot of research on rice, but it's based on antidote. Yes, like many people have used rice water, and there are quite a number of videos, millions of videos on rice water on YouTube channel. I mean on YouTube. Yes, so I'll continue working in sections, as you can see. So friends, you know what? In as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can actually reach a bigger audience. So my goal is to reach 500 subscribers, friends. So I'm grateful to my subscribers, and to my viewers. I really appreciate you guys, for subscribing and for watching my videos. This helps me a lot. And for all those beautiful comments, keep them coming, friends. Like I really love to interact. Yes, so if you want to be part of this family, then subscribe to our channel, friends. And of course, like prayer has been one of my priority in growing my hair, because you know what, the Bible tells us that without me we cannot do anything, and God is so concerned about every welfare in our lives, no matter how small. Like God is so concerned with us. The love that God has towards us is so amazing that no human mind can comprehend it. And God knows the amount of hair in your head. Yes, and we are more valuable actually than sparrows. Yes, so like prayer is one of my priority in my life. It makes a difference, friends. Yes, so like our hair is growing and I'm happy about that. So of course, like hair doesn't grow overnight. No hair product will grow your hair. It takes patience and consistent, friends. So you need to exercise some patience and stick to your routine. So now at this point, I'm concentrating the hairspray on the edges. So like, edges are very fragile, and many people have a challenge with edges. So don't forget to moisturize your edges as well. So I'm going in with a minimal amount of oil. I don't want to put a lot of oil, because the edges are very fragile, and we don't want any like build up on the edges. And I have a specific routine for the edges. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out, like how I have grown my edges, because my edges were gone, friends. So now at this point I'm done moisturizing. So I'm going to style my hair in a simple protective hairstyle. Like it's so moisturized, and I'm so happy. So what I'm going to do like flat twist. So that's the goodness of twist. Like you'll be able to style your twist in different kinds of hairstyles. So I'm going to use a bobby pin at the end, and then I'm going to do the same to the other side. And make sure that you don't like feel the kind of some tension when you put your bobby pin, like so. So I'm done. So I'm also going to do the same to the other side, as you can see. So this is the hairstyle that I've been rocking actually for 5 days. So these twists are actually 5 days old. Then I'll use another bobby pin. In fact, I did use about 3 bobby pins. So friends, subscribe to my channel, friends, and give this video a like. Comment in the section below. Like I love low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on the edges. So if you're trying to grow out your edges, make sure that you avoid high maintenance hairstyles. So that is how the back looks like. But of course, I did forget to put the other 2 twists at the back. So in the front, I'm just going to twist and then pin it at the top, as you can see. So you can go in with more bobby pins if you so wish, like so. So we are done. Yes, and I'm happy. So I'm just going to show you how the hairstyle looks like. So that is how it looks like. But of course, as you can see, I forgot to pin those two twists at the back. But I did pin them after I sew. So that is how the back looks like. Yes, low maintenance hairstyle, friends. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like. Yeah, so I'm done. Yes, low manipulation hairstyle. And comment in the section below what you loved about this video. What was your highlight? Yes, what did you learn from this video? Comment in the section below. I would love to know. So thank you so much. Are you going to try out this clove and rice hairspray? God bless you. See you in the next video.